Hey Robert, this is Nets. I just wanted to swing by and just make a little quick one just to show my appreciation for the time that you took out today to shoot with me, and just say have a really safe flight, and enjoy Germany if it's Germany you've gone back to do some shooting over in. And let me know, keep me posted when you are back to London, and I look forward to shooting with you again. I just decided to stick around, as you can see, in the wonderful surroundings of the ladies' restroom, but the rest, as the people that know about Hilton and Hilton Honors, very luxurious, comfortable surroundings of the Hilton, decided to touch in with a few friends and just enjoy some good chat. Anyway, when you're back, Robert, look me up, give me a shout, and we'll shoot again. Take care, enjoy your flight. Bye.